Take your Toyota RAV4 experience to a whole new level with FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your hybrid prime. It's made of soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, precision cut and tailored to your vehicle specifications for a perfectly snug fit. Installation is easy. Before you know it, you'll have your seat protecting cushions on and your car feeling like a brand new ride. The covers are waterproof, long-lasting, and durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. The back side of the bucket seat features a handy slip pocket to safely store personal items, and the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Enjoy the total RAV4 experience like never before, and appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.